Hey guys, today we are making homemade hamburger helper. I saw Chance from 3 Pieces of Pecan, that's the name of his page, do this recipe a couple weeks ago, and today it is cold, it is rainy, it is dreary, and I was craving some comfort food. And that popped into my mind, and I said that would be perfect for tonight. It's quick, it's easy, and it's comforting. So I will tag him in these videos to give him credit for this recipe. And if y'all haven't noticed by now, I do post the typed out version of the recipe on all my platforms in the description of the video, no matter what platform this is posted on. In your large Dutch oven, we're going to go ahead and add in some olive oil. To our oil, we're going to add a chopped onion. After you've let your onions cook for about 5 or 6 minutes till they start getting soft, I'm going to put in some garlic or garlic. Big spoonful. We're also going to add in about a teaspoon of Italian seasonings. I'm just going to eyeball it. About a teaspoon of paprika and red pepper flakes, however much or little your family likes. I'm also going to add in a little bit of salt and pepper. Now you just want to stir this around for a minute or two just to heat the garlic and the spices. Now I'm going to put in about 1.5 pounds of ground beef. And this is lean ground beef. Once your beef is cooked all the way through, I'm going to go in and add a tablespoon or 2 of tomato paste. I made a little open spot on my pan just so I can kind of heat that tomato paste real good. I think I'm going to do a little bit more. You want to kind of cook that tomato paste for a minute or two. Right, now I'm going to go in with 3 cups of beef broth. Now I'm going to put in a cup of heavy whipping cream. You want to bring this up to a boil. Once it comes up to a boil, I'm going to add in 1 pound of pasta. I'm using shells. You want to stir that around, turn your heat down, and simmer this on low for about 15 to 20 minutes or until your pasta's done.
But there's not a tornado.
I know. I'm cooking. Time, it's almost time. It'll be done in a few minutes.
In a minute. I should tell you what, you're burning it.
I ain't burning it.
It's sticking.
Oh, it's not. When your pasta is just about done, you want to go ahead and taste it and adjust your seasonings accordingly. It needs a little bit more salt, but instead of salt, I'm going to add in a little beef bouillon. Now I'm going to add in some more pepper. Once your noodles are done, you want to add in some cheddar cheese. Maybe 5 or 6 ounces or so. I'm just eyeballing it. If it gets too thick on you, you can just add in a little broth and a little bit of heavy whipping cream just to thin it out a little bit. Okay guys, it is ready. Y'all see that? That looks good. It's creamy. You could top it with some parsley or chives to make it look pretty, and you could even add vegetables to this if you wanted to. I just didn't feel like it today. That hits the spot today. I wanted something comforting and warm, and that hits the spot. I hope you guys try it. Let me know if you do. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.